Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions, like you're on a treadmill, running hard but not really getting anywhere? If that sounds familiar, it might be time for a life audit. What's a life audit? It's a chance to hit the pause button, take a step back, and look at your life with fresh eyes. It's not about judging yourself, but about understanding where you are right now, so you can consciously decide where you want to go next. Think of it as a friendly check-in with the most important person in your life, you. The process is simple but powerful. It's all about asking the right questions. Take a look at the key areas of your life: your career, your relationships, your health, your finances, and your personal growth. Are you happy with where you are in each of these? What's working well? What isn't? What drains your energy? And what lights you up? Be honest. This is for your eyes only. Once you have a clear picture, you can start to reset. This is where you get to be the architect of your own life. What small changes can you make today that will have a big impact tomorrow? Maybe it's dedicating 15 minutes a day to a hobby you love, or scheduling a weekly call with a friend who lifts you up. It's about making intentional choices, not just letting life happen to you. The goal isn't to create a perfect life overnight. The goal is to rebuild a life that feels authentic and fulfilling to you. It's about aligning your daily actions with your deeper values and dreams. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a practice. You can do a mini audit every month or a bigger one every year. It's a powerful tool to keep you on the path that's right for you. So, are you ready to reset, refocus, and rebuild? It all starts with that first honest look. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.